we're hitting the beach now, my people. And this is my grandbaby. Look at him. A cute little boy. He's a cutie. Just look how he's cute. Yeah, is he not a cutie? Mm-hmm. Said hi. Hi. Say hi, baby. Those are my two sexy body girls over there. So we're now on Eastern Road and we're heading to the beach this morning. My daughter is very late this morning. I was up from after 4, waiting to go to the beach for 5 o'clock. And this crazy girl just reached. Her hair's burning me. I don't eat this early in the morning. I eat after 12 in the morning. It's surprising. Oh, you eat it now. You don't eat this early. You know, you eat good there. I'm short of it. Like this tastes good. Jesus. I'm hungry now. I said for one of my video yesterday. Yeah. It's my crazy people and my family in the car. This is how they behave. The mud can't stop fly. And one of my video yesterday me hear Jessica but so I laugh last night. Yeah, Jesus. Jessica, remember me tell about the panty. Oh, like exactly after night video. Because that video I would expect. Johnny can never cut it out. I'm going to cut this stand from her. Oh, for sure you were sketching on my video. That's why you have to be careful around me. Because I don't miss nothing at all. I just want to show. Oh, I just want to share with you all. Big up. I want to say thank you. I reached 300 subscribers. Without you guys, I can't do it. I just want to thank you. Thank you from the depths of my heart. I'm going up there one step. I'm a tree. Yes, my daughter laughing only 300. You tell me that's something to be grateful and thankful for. Some people stuck at 10, some people 25, some people can't move for almost a month. And I'm at 300 this morning. I'm grateful and I'm thankful and I'm saying to you, my people, thank you so much, God. Shut up, Jaylen. I big up my fans and all my supporters. Thank you. Yeah. Shut up, Jay. Shut up. Jenny, make it okay. I just give you thanks to my people. I'm just thankful. I'm just grateful. Yeah, I want to full because if they come from early this morning.
It's beach full. I still can't go back later. I was in the last Sunday I was in the beach at 4 o'clock. Government can't stop.
I just cut in something they're going. I just got. You are talk too much. You will talk sometime. I must just relax, man. Just chill out a little. Jesus gosh, no. I fire you, Jenny. Jesus, oh mercy. Oh gosh.
Do not put it in your mouth. Like things in your mouth.
You know what? Just look how beautiful it is. That's a movie star right there. She'll be starring the show.
Hey, Sophie, rub them around, sit there, see, and take picture. What?
Get him away. Get him something. Come get him something. Picture. That's my two crosses daughter right there. My two princess. Okay. Seriously? Hold on. I want to get you a minute. Beautiful. Just be careful of your video people out here. There's a lot of bonner man and bonner woman out here. I don't put nobody in a trouble. Oh gosh. Look at this jelly tree. Oh, the beach side is full of a lot of coconut trees. Again, I want to take the time to big up, on the serious note of it, to big up all my supporters and my subscribers. I just want to tell a thanks. I've returned to subscriber. I know it might sound small to you, but for me, that's something to celebrate. So, I'm going up the ladder, and I couldn't do it without you. Well, here in Bahamas, I'm not going to lie, they have some beautiful beaches here, lovely beaches here. This is just one of the few. They even have the pink sand here, and they have a beach where you could swim with the pigs. That in Exuma. In Rose Island, they have some beautiful beach. That's one thing. And one thing I must commend them on over here, I'm not going to lie. It's not like in some country where it's only the rich can go on some beaches, and then the foreigners who visit, whenever time they visit, they have access to the beach, and then like they will charge the local. No. And I give them thumbs up for that here. I said, because if anyone who's supposed to enjoy the beauty of their country is a citizen of the country, whether no matter what class you're in, whether you're I won't never say poor, because right now nobody's poor once you have life. But you have different in life. You have some people who have more than some, and sometimes it's only the rich who have access to certain things, and I think that is a no-no for me personal. So when I look here in the Bahamas and I see that anyone can have access to the beach, it doesn't matter. Even the madman, crazy as ever, yes, you can be on the beach. And that is something I recommend. I must commend them for. That is beautiful. Yeah, I love that. That's really lovely. So I give them credit for that. Real talk. You're supposed to be enjoying your country, and then foreigners come and help to enjoy it. But you can't make foreigners alone enjoying it. So it doesn't matter who you is, where you're from, the beach is open to you all. And it's a lovely beach here. So I'm going to take it now over to the beach side, where I've been taking my dip. Oh, I think it's time to pause. I'm no videoing, girl.
Picture. Ready? No, you need to choose what to eat. You're going bad. You know, some should carry the case where you can put your phone in for the water.
I can't leave this in my son. Put it in my bag and put it all them over here. Here, so when I come here, look here. You're not going to panty. Ooh.
So you'd have to go past us to go way out.
Well, it's a little crowd in the water, so we just take another side. Right here is kind of have some little thing in the water, so we are trying to avoid going out. But as soon as the crowd cut down, because we don't want to go over where so many people is. So that's Sophie. Just get here, go wait.
Leave my brush off the beach last night.
Excuse me. Lord, hey, hey, hey.
You like it?
So, what have on a phone and I son?
Yeah, can we not worship it like it?
His son still got it. It's something nice.
We not worship it like it.
You should throw on me by one phone and last me for all 4 or 5 years.
You're right. What is this? What is this? You pick the love I see it. Hey, at least in the light, in the water.
I'm going to pause for a while.
Not back for your head. Let's scandal bag and do it today.
So that's Sophie. Look at my cute grandson. Look at my handsome little grandson. Yeah? Oh God, if I drink this water. There's something dark though. So, plenty people is on the beach. But right, you're not supposed to have video people, you know who they here with the side chick from who a main chick, you know? So,
Here with my side chick.
this is my side chick right
My
here.
side chick here.
I'm got my main chick.
This is my side chick.
I'm gonna put my baby up tonight. So my nice clean boy. Papa,
Papa on video from morning.
Papa, say hi.
When Papa in the water, Papa not talk to people. You enjoy water too much.
Oh, you're going to grass. I don't make you do it. So I'm here to the beach. It's mommy right there. Sexy body Sophie, bump on it, show them. Bump on it. Okay, so that's, see? Nice. Those are the nice hotels. Mommy, the hotel, what them name? That's Atlantis, aka and both PI also. So that's just the view right there, and everybody's just enjoying themselves. Okay. Okay, we are now leaving the beach.
Drive down here, so. And people sitting there. Rockwood Bar.
See how the beach full?
Rockwood Bar. No, get up and cook dinner before we come beach.
Jessica, you was the fault for everything because we thought it was coming for 5. We said it was coming. Next time I know that I must make sure I prepare something.
Yes, cook no dinner, cup of breakfast. If Jen didn't call me, don't get up from me, don't plan something, you know.
Me no know, from yesterday, last time I tell Sophie, last time I did some fried fritters and I realized
You need a flour?
Jessica. Oh my, and everything I really.
There's some hoes in the south. There's some hoes in the south. Certified freak. Hey!
And Jackie, yes. That's Jackie?
Right now, she's a Jamaican girl, the bright return over who you are now, White House. You go back there, sir?
Mm-hmm. She looks so.
You put your man number in your phone?
Jessica, nobody ugly. There's not one person ugly.
421.
Gotta make everybody in their own unique way.
Jerry, we see everybody, but I not see it on the WhatsApp. Yeah, so I don't know, maybe the service.
So we're going to get some fish.
56, well, if I know 56,
We're not by the dock, we're going to look some fish. You have any parrot?
Jesus Christ, that's a stink.
Jesus, Jay.
Where me I go?
Yeah, 1356 or 5630.
No, 1353. Mommy, come out here, I go look your parrot.
Let me pop. I'm by the fish house. I'm going to get some fish. Parrot.
Huh?
And the parrot?
Fish.
Parrot.
Don't leave them parrot fish. But you want parrot, right? You got parrot fish? Hey, Aaron, you got parrot fish?
This is a dock where you come and get your fish. Whatever fish you want.
I'm coming right now.
I'm not putting on the camera on you, sir.
There it is.
I need big one, eh?
Yeah, that's when you try. It's good. You know, you find them all like that. This is only powerful. Jerry, come for them. Come on.
I'm treating $20 for them.
Nine baht. Them two for $20. That's
Oh,
a
they're
big
looking
damn
smaller one.
And they can cut them off for you.
I gotta get this money for it, yeah.
You don't want one smaller though.
You ain't gonna find them smaller, baby. That's all, yeah. Hey, you got any parrot fish?
Don't you dig up on you and find more of them?
Come on, you dirty man. Only 30. Save it in high. You know?
You see that one? That's a
Oh,
butterfish
yeah,
there.
one little one, yeah.
That's a butterfish there?
Yeah.
Hind.
That's a hind.
We
One
call
there.
it butter.
Just the cooler. See the hind right there, see the butterfish?
So one right in that corner, right there, sir.
Couple in here like that.
I'd go to. Respect like
So how much with these one?
I'm with them three, Gregory.
Take them out, Judge. Yeah, can't still with them. What's that plate too, right?
What up? Good
These
night.
are some fresh fish.
Put a neck part fish on them, make it $20, Judge.
There it is.
You need one of them big ones, yeah.
All right, that's 20. That ain't bad. You want me to clean them, right?
Thanks.
Gregory, give her a bite for me. I ain't getting a bite. Give her a bite. You can pay him.
Give me one, Judge. I want it.
Wow, come. Can't beat that.
Lend me $15.
I don't have it.
Give me them, baby.
I don't have it.
I want them. Mommy, let me $15.
I don't have a $15. I got to pay to someone. Go in the bag, you have money in the car.
Me not remember I can go feed
Go and feed. Let me go feed him. Let me go. I come here right back.
me purse, me can, me purse.
Me don't remember me friend, no worry. So we get him some fish. Jenny, you say you don't like parrot, right? You say you don't like parrot. Jay get two big ones for $15. See them, man?
A parrot?
Mm-hmm. Then they give me three big ones for $20. I'm telling me I want it. I just take one. Where's your purse if I want him back? Give me.
But I no money to buy no.
Can't tell me about me for lend him. Jay, me for lend. No, man, I scale them.
Yeah, but you have to pay.
You don't get it from that? Oh, hey. This is a dog. Look at this lobster.
Judge!
There was a mouse. That's what the mouse.
Come for 2 more bird fish, buddy.
How much you pay? Much you pay?
Make charge you $3 for them.
Just like a fish.
What's up then? Going on though?
I know.
Straight?
Yeah,
No.
money.
You got straight out on the hand.
No pause.
Yeah.
You love that ugly fish there.
Yeah, I love them.
Well, on there. You did get when I parrot too? So much I
Let
get.
me make it very clear. This
I
big
took
one
big
here.
one, man.
No. So I couldn't share my fish. Nobody tried.
See you on here. These are on here.
So you couldn't
Right.
teeth the one
These
they
are
give
on
me
these.
for
No, these mine.
you have money and boy.
I don't mind fish there.
No, these in your face.
Only 400
Only
shrimp.
these. Yeah.
So this gentleman is scaling the fish for us.
Back there.
See right there? So you're at the fish market.
Yeah, that's the fish market.
And right over there.
Where you
Then
from,
lift,
yeah?
then lift,
You
then
all
come
live here or
in
you
the
all come
water
from here?
door. What is
I live here. I work here. I should say. Anyway, I live
You all
there.
know, eh?
Huh?
The two of yours?
Yeah, that's my daughter.
Oh.
You want tea for tea?
Huh? The what? Oh. No, I'm not upset.
I don't think you got it.
Oh, my God. Jay, look here. So what don't do with these?
What up? And they eat.
Huh?
You could eat them too?
Yeah, but you want to buy the top they give for them?
All of them is meat. They crack
Yeah,
their-
but no, what
they
I'm
eat
saying, if you purchase a tail, I give for this?
up. Huh?
If I buy the tail, I get a pair too?
No, you only can buy the head. You got to buy the tail separate.
That's what I'm
Oh,
asking.
that's a little different.
Oh, look at this big boy.
Buy for the head. That's a whole different. When you take that separated.
She talking to me, man. What part of the girl is that? I ain't do
Oh,
nothing.
I wish Leo was here with a baby
You
too.
want fresh fish, man?
I'm trying to go buy me some
All right, then
lobster
that's
this
all
week.
right. That's my friend.
No, baby, I'm not going to put it on here.
She ain't gonna go. She ain't gonna move from the She don't. She's your customer, man. I ain't had that go. Customer, they ain't gonna move. They ain't gonna move.
Why you quarter?
So you tell me to scorch him. You scorch him. So you tell me to.
When I tell him here, I wonder. Everything is better than make you use this, and make you
I got
use
no
that.
brother, and you got the bag, right? Diggy, go right there, get one bag so I can put them in. Right in that same thing.
Look over there.
Yeah.
And this is a fresh fish straight from the
Yeah.
sea.
Got one of them and one
See,
in
it's
that bag.
straight fresh fish from the sea itself.
Yeah.
So the gentleman is going to scale my fish now. Got those shells, those are the conch shells. Right there you have all those, it's just conch shells. See those boats coming in?
You can be able to group work that you get your man.
Okay.
So keep on making noise like you look.
I should love make nice, you know.
Hold it.
Yeah, come hold it.
And you put it in the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't gonna put my fish
Hold it.
down on it.
See all those boats? Some going out, they're going out there.
Well, that's them. You gotta stop them, no matter what. Yeah, if you woman or you cook it,
Man, anytime you see a frying fish, they pull at the door.
so what you gotta do, you have a screen, you screen door. That's what you need, a screen door.
Yeah, come fit us out here. Yeah, Jay, I remember Jay.
That's what I got by my
Come
own.
fit us. Somebody
I can
out
leave it
there
all,
to
but
have.
the screen door, keep them right. And then when you get too crowded on that screen door, I get my flip and
The gentleman right there looking for
screen
conch.
door. Make sure you stay from there for a while.
Mm. With the fish, you don't cook our steam fish, and I want to steam fish today.
Right.
You can't see it, stop it. So my fish is already complete. Here I have my fish. extra fish is now scaling.
That's it, come? 45? Not talking. You serious? Well, tell some I can't start straight. I'm box. I can't start straight.
People still in the water.
Yeah, in Miami.
Most of them come out though. People have come out.
45? Serious?
Good, I reach already.
I tell that girl if they put it in New York or fucking thing on, you know.
I want him to fly now around to the farm fish, you know.
I tell her that. I
Fly.
said, man,
So the guy coming in with those pumps over there. Wow, I missed that. Wow. He's throwing up those pumps. I remember some comforters is not coming here, sir. Out of front, sir. Yeah, man, one lady out there. Like the order it. Something. You think they can feed something, you know? My mama look a parcel of flour. Sophie J said, remember the Gatorade. You have the carrot, Jenny? Go for your Charlie, Sophie. Not the flour. Go for your Charlie. I'm in a supermarket now. I just got in few stuff to go home and cook a dinner. Wow, sweet pepper, the pepper. What a pound of sweet pepper? $4.40. You didn't buy sweet pepper with a coconut? You did not?
Come with me in a Ghana shop.
No, you was up by the shop and I tell you to pick up some stuff. Yeah.
When I want to take off, you didn't use it? I want to tell you to take off your cook.
How what did I cook? I don't know. Anything now we just allow to cook up two. You sure carrot that one? And I like them look at puny one day, you know.
Where do you want the big
So if I tell her push on, are you going to say go carry it anyhow?
the big challenge?
I'm going to take up a flour. Just a small one.
They have no small flour.
I think they sell dear. They have bouillon home, Jerry? Bye-bye. Yes, ma'am.
Only this small flour they have. You want it?
Yeah. How much are it?
4?
It looks small. You have curry?
Yes, I'm not sure if it's that yard.
Indian curry. I see you finish my pepper. When I buy my stuff then to do my thing.
You need to hurry before Jessica starts first.
Check up yours.
Ready buy another knife?
What? One, I never kept something about the one, I never use it.
I'm not say that done. So when I say I'm a man, I get married.
How much do you season us? I dry season. I'm not going to buy that. I need one. Just got teeth mine.
585.
Oh, Retweet it. Sophie, retweet it, you're taller. Yeah, me got me daughter tall. Retweet that girl.
Which one this? Everybody want the olive oil, everybody want like a Miranda by go on, let's go.
You take that way? Eat cup noodle.
You want cup?
Yeah.
I'll do half.
Take a two. Onion there one? The onion finished completely? Just take a one of this.
You don't know if it's good.
Look at them, they're firm. See? It's firm.
Where are you?
I guarantee when she reaches home, she'll remember something. You what?
Yeah, some of them put like potato salad.